Okay, so this is the DJI Mavic Zoom unboxing video. I already pre-opened it. You get support via Facebook Messenger. And voila, here's the drone. This is the Mavic 2 Zoom, 24 to 48mm optical zoom, 4K video, 12 megapixel photos, omnidirectional optical sensing, and 31-minute flight time. Lots of danger warnings. You have to agree to the terms. You have to be 18 and older. Model L1Z, and a whole bunch of Apple-friendly stickers. That's pretty much it. There is the open tab here. And it's gray. So here we have the controller. Looks like a gray version of the DJI Mavic Air controller. It says unfold the antennas and mobile device clamps, then attach control sticks. Alright. Control sticks are on the bottom, just like the Mavic Air. And they feel exactly like the Mavic Air. It does, however, have a button here instead of FN, so a little thumbstick. It's by default using a lightning cable connector. It's got an extra USB here. And the control wheels feel exactly the same. Here we have the extra controls. This one is a USB, micro USB. This one is a USB-C. So let's put it out. So put it out. It comes with the little square thing installed. Plug it and pop it out. Okay, it pops out. It'll create a little square to be removed. Alright, so let's put it back into plastic bag. Here, put the square on. The square has a little U-shaping, face down. Okay, now plug the USB in. I'm gonna pop it in through here. It's not seems like this. Back to 100. It's really high there. And we're gonna have to hop through. Let's try it this way. All right. Okay, let's pop it through there, make sure the U-shape is aligned, and then push it through, and then of course push it through to the cable guide. I'm sure there might be an easier way. Oh my gosh. Alright, I don't know. Yeah, whatever. Alright, tired. Let's see, the battery life is 71%. Alright, let's see what else. This is some extra propellers and some manuals. Propeller, second propeller set. There look like there are 2 in each package. Third propeller set. Mavic battery, safety guidelines, what's in the box, DJI Care refresh, and quick start guide. Let's see if the quick start guide talks about the controller swapping. Oh, nothing really. Alright. Let's see if there's a controller one actually. Cables. Communication cables. USB-C, power cable connection. Disclaimer, battery, quick start guide. Okay, here is the power adapter. It's covered in plastic. There is something new, which is, it looks like a little cable, probably to charge the remote control. Previously you could charge it with micro USB. And once I can figure out how to open this, we'll find out. Here it is. It is a micro USB. So interesting. It has one USB port, but it has a built-in micro USB port, which I guess will save you a cable. And it has a US plug. I presume it will be adjusted to whatever country you buy yours in. Okay. Let's look at the drone itself. It's got a battery, pops out, feels exactly like the Mavic Pro. Pull it out. I don't have an indicator though. Maybe I don't have enough charge. Nothing. Got a protective gimbal that's a lot bigger than the Mavic Pro. I'll go ahead and charge. Okay, we are charging. We've got lots of sensors. This looks like it's a LED light. Well, we'll see. Remove the gimbal protector before powering on. Got extra plastic protectors here. Huh, interesting. It opens like a hinge. So it opens like a hinge. Definitely a lot more sturdy than the Mavic gimbal. It's on a turntable. It does have some scratches already. Or sticky, I don't know. Not sure what that is. Definitely feels a lot more solid though. Front 2 optical sensors. Unfold the front arms forward. You know all that. Unfold the rear arms downward. You know that. It's got kind of a rugged paint job. Not smooth. Definitely got a little texture on it. We've got optical sensor here, optical sensor here, optical sensor on top. Do we need DJI refresh? I don't know. We've got some, maybe some optical sensors on the side here. Okay, DJI Mavic Zoom, Auto LIZ. Alright, anything else in the box? So we have the power box, along with the protector for the power. Oops, gotta open this guy. Oops, this is the manual, which had the extra cables. Okay, I totally forgot which way to put these on. Oh well. Alright. Comes with a USB cable, USB-C I presume. It is flat. So let's open the propellers and install them. It's weird that there's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's weird there's 6 propellers, which means 2 extra. Huh. So they're kind of curved. All right. The circular white circle here aligns with this one. The one that's black aligns with this one. This one's black. And this one is white. Okay. Alright. Pretty much we're good to go. Let me put this on temporarily just to see if I can put it on. This goes in the cradle here. This goes in the cradle. Connects to the bottom, snaps in. So, really secure for our transportation. Okay, 71% battery. That's it for unboxing. Let's try it out.